Welcome back to the Matt Bliss Hour. Just an update video for you guys and gals out there. So, my internet stinks. As potentially some of you may have poor internet as well. The internet here at my house is really bad. It's taking me hours upon hours upon hours to just upload a video. And the last video that I tried was chapter 12. By the time you see this, chapter 12 was going to be uploaded because I got access back into my office, but it took about 20 hours or so to get to about 47%, and then it stopped. And it hasn't moved anywhere since. And I've tried disconnecting internet and going back up. I've retried uploading it, but it's just as slow. So, brings up a good point. If you have really bad internet at your house, please let me know. I'm not going to dock any points because of lack of access to great internet or anything like that. Just please let me know, and I will work with you. I'm not going to dock points because of it. We're going to work through this. Everybody's kind of in the same boat. We were forced into something that we were not originally supposed to do. It's supposed to be in most of these classes, or all of them that I was teaching, are in-person classes that we have to move to online instruction now. And if you weren't prepared for that and you don't have the great internet that some people do, then that's obviously going to be a problem. So I want you to reach out to me if you have any issues with internet. I know a couple of you have, and thank you for that. So that's the internet portion of it. The other thing is, for the exercise testing and prescription folks, again, videos are going to be coming. I have a couple of them made. They will be uploaded as soon as possible, as soon as I can get them up. Once we're done with this section, I believe there's a couple more chapters, 2 or 3 more chapters that I need to upload to Blackboard, or to YouTube, excuse me. And then once those are up, then the exam will be available. The exam, you're going to have plenty of time to get it done. It's obviously going to be open book. So the labs as well are going to be uploaded. I'm working through those. Hopefully this weekend I can get them finished up, work on them and get them uploaded. They're going to be a little bit different because it's an in-person class, and the labs we can't do in person. There was one towards the end that isn't going to really change much from what we were initially going to do anyway, because it wasn't necessarily an exercise, but you'll see it. You'll see what's going on with it. For the seminar classes, if you want to have any type of chats, we can do Zoom. We can, I don't know if you can do Skype with multiple people, but I know Zoom you can. We can even do YouTube videos, YouTube chats. I've done that in the past. So if you would like to do something like that, please feel free, comment, and we can set something up, and we can set multiple sessions up. I'm free most of the day. I'm sure most of you, or some of you, could be free most of the day as well. I'm also a late sleeper. Well, actually, it's either late sleeper or early sleeper. I'm not really sure how you would say it. Basically, I'm staying up all night. Most of the time, I go to bed 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the morning. I don't know. It's a lot of times I'm going to bed, and my wife is getting up. So I'm up through the night. If you want to chat in the middle of the night, that's perfectly fine too. Even if you just want to shoot the breeze, because I think right now, some of us are probably getting a little bit of cabin fever, so we might need to discuss some things and at least chat a little bit. So anyway, please let me know anything, any way that you want to communicate. The other thing is advising. For advising, I've had a Zoom chat and also a FaceTime chat. If you want to do either one of those, we can do also Skype. Skype is another one. Again, a YouTube chat. Potentially that one actually goes live for a little bit. So I don't know if you want people to see that, but the Skype, Zoom, the FaceTime chat, that's perfectly fine as well. I haven't messed around with Blackboard Collaborate yet, but we can try all of that. I'm open to anything that you guys need to do to get this going for advising. We can work on that. I've been in communication with some of you through email, and that's perfectly fine as well. If you just want to keep it through email, that's great too. So again, the dates to register have been pushed back. So, and I think you guys got that email from Sue. So Anyway, those are kind of the few points that I wanted to make. And again, if you wanted to have any chats, any explanations, I might have something anyway. I might start to schedule some stuff, especially for the couple seminar classes that I was teaching, that you guys are in. Some of you are in that are watching this video. So I guess there could be somebody watching this outside of Wilmington that isn't even in my classes. Kind of a scary thought having me as a professor, right? Squirrel! Let me know what you guys want to do. Again, I'm going to keep working for advising for the chapter videos, and also maybe even have some chats online, just some scheduled stuff. Again, you don't necessarily have to do anything like that, especially if your internet isn't that great. I know my internet sometimes is a little quirky when I'm on a live chat. I can go in and out. The other person can go in and out. The audio can be a little iffy. So, but we can try to set something up. Maybe I can even be in my office, because I believe officially we're allowed in our office April 6th. So, and we'll see how that goes. Anyway, if you have any comments, any questions, anything, please do not hesitate to ask. I am here. I'm here all the time. So please email me, contact me, however you would like. I'm not sure how to end this. Peace.